Burnout doesn't always look like chaos. Sometimes it's gentle, a slow dimming, a smile that's just a little too tired, a to do list that used to excite you but now just stares back blankly. I burnt out here in the village, in the quiet I once called peace. The same trees, the same sun, and the same bird song. But my mind wouldn't stop racing. I had given myself a silent timeline, a quiet promise to stay consistent, to keep creating, to reach a goal I held close to my chest. But I didn't realize that chasing even a dream without rest can still drain you. Have you ever felt the need to prove a point to yourself? To run toward a quiet goal no one else knows about? Just to feel like your dreams are valid? Like your effort is enough? I did, and in the beginning it was beautiful. I poured my heart into every frame, every voiceover, and every second of this journey. Until it wasn't all roses anymore. The joy turned into pressure, and the pressure turned into exhaustion. Not loud, not dramatic, but a soft kind. The kind that makes you wake up tired and smile through a fog no one else can see. And the strangest part is, it happened here, in the village, in the stillness I once called peace. I thought that being surrounded by nature will protect me from burnout, but it turns out even a beautiful place can't hold you when your mind is racing to catch up with invisible timelines. So I stepped back. I went to the city, not to chase anything, but to lose the voice and the noise in my own head. To breathe, to sleep, and to forget the version of me that kept performing even in stillness. Now I'm back, not just to the village, but to myself. And I wanted to share this journey with you because maybe you have felt it too. The guilt of rest, the shame of slowing down, and the ache of showing up to something that you once loved just to find that it no longer lights you up as it used to. If that's you, then this is for us. A small reset, a gentle confession, and a small beginning after burnout. Come along. Psychology describes burnout as a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion. It often shows up after long periods of stress, especially the kind we don't speak about. The pressure to be productive, the fear of being left behind, the need to be useful even when no one is watching. And It doesn't just hit people in fast cities or big offices. You can burn out in silence, in soft places, even surrounded by beauty. When your mind keeps whispering, you are not doing enough. Sometimes it shows up as brain fog, other times irritability, numbness, or even disconnection from the very things you used to love. It is that strange guilt when you rest, the shame when you slow down, the panic that time is passing and you are not moving fast enough. Eventually, I noticed the signs. The joy I once had while filming turned into obligation. The editing drained me. The deadlines felt heavier. I was still producing, but I wasn't present anymore. So I stepped away, not to escape, but to breathe. I went to the city for a few days, let my mind wander, let silence fill the spaces that had been screaming. I didn't create, and for the first time in a while, I gave myself permission to just be. When I came back to the village, I promised myself, this time we do things differently. Healing from burnout isn't always grand. Sometimes it is as small as waking up without a plan, drinking water before coffee, sitting in the sun for no reason. Sometimes it looks like reorganizing your space, journaling, reconnecting with joy, letting rest become part of your rhythm, not just something you earn after collapse. And slowly, you begin to feel the spark again. Not the old fire, but something softer, gentler, and a slow rekindling. Maybe you have felt it too. Maybe you are feeling it now. The fatigue, the invisible pressure, the guilt of wanting to rest in a world that worships hustle. If that is you, I want you to know you are not lazy, you are not broken, you are not behind, you are just tired. And that's okay. You don't have to earn your rest. You are allowed to pause even in the middle of a dream. This mid year, I'm not rushing to catch up. I'm choosing softness, intention, and peace. Not because I've given up on my goals, but because I finally understand a burnt out version of me can't build the dream I'm chasing. So, if you've been carrying the same weight, consider this your permission slip to slow down, to feel, to begin again. We don't always need a big comeback. Sometimes we just need a gentle reset.